I know what most of you think of me. That I'm a thug, a smuggler, rebel. And I started all of this. Asked for it. A drunk who never did anything with his life and has caused all this trouble for everybody. Well, I'm here today to tell you that you're right. I am. I am all of those things and more. But in the eyes of the crown, I'm nothing. In the eyes of the crown, you are nothing. You're just colonists. Who do you want to be? I mean, the answer actually isn't even important. It's the idea that we even have the right to ask the question, who do we want to be? We don't need a birthright. We don't need a family crest. And we certainly don't need the king's damn permission. What we need is a fair and equal chance. The freedom to live our lives the way that we see fit, and the confidence that that freedom cannot be taken away from us. That is our God-given right. And I, for one, am willing to fight for it. I'm willing to die for it. Independence, gentlemen. Independence.